It feels like a dream. After so many sleepless nights. But, can dreams last this long?
Good morning, my dear. I thought I'd check on you myself. Did you sleep well?
Yes, ma'am. Better than I have in months. Thank you.
No, ma'am, please. Call me Aunt Clara. We're family now.
Aunt Clara. Thank you. For everything.
Eat something before it gets cold. After that, Edward wants to show you around. Oh, and you might meet our son Ryan.
Ryan?
Yes, our only son. He's busy most of the time, always working, always serious. You'll see him at breakfast, I'm sure.
Ah, there she is. Arya, come join us.
Ryan, this is Arya, the young lady your father told us about.
Morning.
Don't mind him. He's not unfriendly, just buried under numbers all the time.
Work keeps the world steady, Father.
And yet, you forget to keep your breakfast steady. Eat first, save the world later.
He hardly looked at me. Maybe he doesn't like strangers. Or maybe he's just lonely in a different way.
You'll settle here soon, my dear. This house needed laughter again. And I think you'll bring it back.
Arya, after all these months, I still see your face every time I close my eyes. If I could just hear your voice once, just once, to tell you I was wrong.
The number you have dialed is powered off or no longer in service.
If anyone knows where she is, it's Nellie. She was her shadow, her friend, her heart. Thanks for coming. I didn't know who else to call.
You sound worried, Ollie Ann. What's happened?
I tried calling Aria last night. Her number, it's gone, Nellie. Switched off, or maybe she changed it. I don't blame her, but I can't live without making things right.
It's been a long time. Maybe she just wanted peace.
I don't want to disturb her life. I just want to apologize, to tell her I finally see what she went through, and how blind I was. She didn't deserve any of it, not from me.
You shouldn't blame yourself alone. I played my part too. I lied, even if I was forced. I betrayed her trust and yours.
You broke my friend's heart, Ethan. You destroyed the purest soul I knew.
I know, and I'll regret it until my last breath. But I swear if I could take it back, I would. Daria. Sophia, they trapped me. I thought helping them would protect my family. I was wrong.
She forgave easily, Ethan. I think she'd forgive you too. Maybe that's what makes this hurt even more.
You were caught in their web, Ethan. We all were. I was too proud to see the truth, and too late to fix it.
Then maybe it's time to try again. We should go to college. If we go there, maybe the principal still has her another contact or address.
You think they'd share it?
They might. She wasn't someone people forget easily.
Then let's go. Maybe we can finally do something right together.
All right. We'll start from where it all began, the college. If I can't reach her through a call, maybe fate will let me find her another way.
They took a night. I'll take everything else back.
Didn't think you'd actually show up, princess.
And yet here I am. And now it's your turn to keep a promise.
We were just having fun. You don't mean real business, do you?
Oh, I mean every word. You got what you wanted last night. Now you'll give me what I want.
And what's that, lady?
Obedience. No questions. No mercy for those I name. You'll act when I say act. This is my game now, Rocco. You play it, or you lose everything. They think I'm broken. They don't see the fire they lit. They served their purpose. Now it's my turn.
Arya, my dear, what are you cooking again? I told you your uncle's sugar level goes up just by smelling sweetness.
Oh, Aunt, it's just a little pudding. I used brown sugar and oats. It's healthy, I promise.
Healthy? My dear girl, that word never comes with pudding.
Too delicious. See? This is the problem. He won't stop eating now. Ryan will scold us both.
Let him scold. I've spent years eating boiled vegetables. A man deserves one good pudding before his meeting.
Uncle, just one bowl. After that, we'll both walk in the garden. Deal?
Deal. But only if you promise to sing my favorite while we walk.
You're spoiling him, Arya. He's never this cheerful. Look at him, like a child with his favorite toy.
He reminds me of the father I never had. So let me spoil him a little.
You're a blessing, my dear. This house feels young again. It was too quiet before you came.
Ryan's too busy with his business to notice a bowl of pudding.
Busy, yes, but not blind. I can smell butter and sweetness from the hallway.
She forced me, son. I had no choice.
Oh really? I can see how terrified you look.
I'm sorry, sir. It's my fault. He just wanted to taste a little, but I promise it's healthy.
You're forgiven this time. But if he faints during my meeting, I'll blame your pudding.
Then I'll make soup for him next time to fix it.
Exactly what I told him. You should keep an eye on him, Ryan.
Consider it done. Daily diet inspection, top priority.
Traitor. You were supposed to be on my side.
Oh no, that's our father-daughter deal, remember? No outsiders allowed.
She's different.
Mr. Ryan?
Thank you. Aria, but next time please, clients are waiting.
Did you see that? He smiled. He never smiles in the morning.
I saw it. Seems our home isn't the only one she's bringing back to life.
So, you're looking for Aria, yes? She was one of our best students. Quiet, respectful, vanished quite suddenly.
Yes, sir. She was a close friend. We lost contact, and I need to speak to her. It's important.
If there's any address or number. Anything, sir, it would mean a lot.
Her registered number seems disconnected. But wait, she left an alternate contact when she transferred her last semester's papers.
This might be it. Thank you, sir. Truly.
I hope you find her. She was a bright light, that girl.
See. Maybe fate's finally giving you a chance to make things right.
And maybe he'll forgive us all. I still can't forget what I did, how easily I believed those lies.
It wasn't only you, Ethan. I doubted her when she needed faith the most. Now, if she even hears my voice, it'll be more than I deserve. Come on, Arya, just answer once. Please.
Hello?
Arya, it's me, Alian. Please don't hang up.
I know your voice. What do you want, Leon?
I just wanted, no, I needed to hear you. To tell you I was wrong, completely wrong. I believed lies. I doubted you when you were the only truth I had. I don't expect you to forgive me, Arya, but please, let me see you once. Just once.
Meeting me won't change the past. What's broken doesn't always need to be fixed.
But I can't live with this silence anymore. I don't sleep. I don't smile. Every time I look in the mirror, I see the man who hurt you. Just tell me, how do I make this right?
Maybe there isn't a right, Leon. Some wounds stop bleeding, but they never really heal.
Then at least tell me you're okay. Please, Arya, are you okay?
I'm learning to be. That's enough for now.
You sound stronger. Happier, maybe.
Strength isn't happiness, Leon. It's what comes when there's nothing left to lose.
I don't want to rewrite the past, Arya. I just wish I hadn't let love turn into pain.
Pain changes people, Leon. Maybe that's what it was meant to do.
If I ever see you again, I'll still say it. I'm sorry.
And maybe I'll be strong enough to give the most suitable answer. Maybe forgiveness isn't about others. It's about letting go.
Hello.
Rocco. Remember our deal, it's time to do what I ask for.
Didn't think you'd call again so soon. It's Rocco, promise, darling.
Stop your bullshit. I want it done, perfectly.
Name it.
A man called Leon. You'll find him near Clifton Square around 10. I don't want him dead, just shaken. Make him remember me. Make him lose the peace he's enjoying.
Easy. You just want to scare him?
Enough that he never sleeps without thinking of me again. Let him taste fear once. Then I'll take the rest.
Maybe she'll forgive me someday.
Evening stroll, boss? It's a bit late to be dreaming.
Not interested. Move aside.
Hold him. Don't let him run. No guns. We were going to scare him. Not this.
He hit me, I'm not letting him walk.
Rocco. What did you do? We didn't plan this.
We're gone. Now.
Call an ambulance. Somebody call an ambulance now. Arya, forgive me.
Oh, Arya, not like that. You're putting too much flour again.
But Mrs. Clara, last time you said more flour makes it softer.
Not this much, sweetheart. You'll make a rock instead of bread.
I think we make a great team, don't we?
Not this much, sweetheart. You'll make a rock instead of bread.
Oh, but he loves when I bake for him. He says it reminds him of happiness.
Yes, and his doctor doesn't. You're spoiling him every day.
It's our little secret. A father-daughter deal, remember.
You're spoiling him, dear. His blood pressure will go up if he keeps eating your sweets. Go now before I blame you for it again.
Yes, ma'am. I'll go before you throw me out of your kitchen.
And check on your rabbits, they must be missing you already.
Snowy. Cloud. Look at you both, impatient as always. I never knew happiness could be this quiet.
How does she do that? Turn a simple garden into something that feels alive again. I've spent years surrounded by numbers, meetings, and silence. And now this stranger walks in, and suddenly, everything feels human again. Why does her laughter feel like a memory I never had? I don't even know her, and yet, I can't stop looking.
What have you done? Who told you to shoot him?
Relax, princess. We just gave him a little reminder you wanted.
Reminder. He's fighting for his life in a hospital. I said frighten him, not kill him.
He fought back. Things got messy.
You idiots ruined everything. Now it's not just him, they'll come for all of us.
He resisted. We handled it. You wanted him broken, well, now he's broken.
You've destroyed my plan. I wanted him to live with fear, not die in silence.
Then next time, do your own dirty work. We're not your puppets.
You fools just signed your own end.